Here we have a one-off Peugeot DJANGO 50cc special edition 50cc 4-stroke engine, cherry satin red with the gloss black wheels. It's a one-off from the factory. You won't find this colour anywhere else on the road in this edition. You can ride it on an AM licence if you're age 16 onwards, on a CBT, on a car licence as long as you pass before February 2001. Just double check with the DVLA or give us a ring if you're not sure. Under seat storage, there's a glove compartment with a 12-volt socket for charging your devices. It's nice and light, it's only 113 kilograms, ideally if you're travelling. Putting it on the back of a portable home. 2-year warranty, parts and labour, and there's a £73 registration and road tax fee on the cost of the scooter. If you're not too sure, just give us a call 01202 810 200 for more information.